So last night, I caught the cat. I caught the cat trying to open the freezer door. And actually, I have already experienced seeing that the fish was gone because the cat had opened the freezer door. So last night, when I went out to pee, I see the cat trying to open the freezer door. So what I did is I get the chain, the dog chain. I get the dog chain and I tie that with the fridge. And I tie the fridge. So when somebody might come into my house, will be shocked seeing